Well, in my opinion, many enterprises have moved to the cloud and the others want to move their infrastructure to the cloud because of cost management, minimized downtime, access from the anywhere, and the most important, leading the security challenges. Because of these reasons, those enterprises must be aware about the cloud challenges in terms of security. So, this is how the cloud security training is relevant to the enterprise. I found CCSE is a vendor neutral certification that covers cloud technologies, frameworks, and principles. CCSE is the only certification course that provides hands-on training in a simulated environment for more than 50 labs training for learners to tackle real-world industry-level challenges for cloud security professional roles. The CCSE course consists of 11 modules and all of them are playing an important role. But the most important module I found is penetration testing in cloud, which is module number 6, because it teaches the scope of cloud penetration testing and gives the opportunity to learn generic pen testing steps, which covers policies, processes, and the limitations. And it also provides Microsoft Azure, Amazon, and Google specific penetration testing steps to fulfill the cloud security skills gap in the current cybersecurity market. Almost all technical labs provides both the vendor neutral and the vendor specific concepts that helps to understand the cloud security challenges, and it enables the students and the professionals to understand how to pen test in the cloud environment. And all labs are hands-on and focuses on the objective on how to secure the cloud. Basically, the top 3 cloud providers, Amazon, Microsoft Azure, and Google, are also providing cloud security trainings. But these trainings are vendor specific and the skills we learn are limited to the offering of the cloud provider. But the EC Council's CCSE is the only certification course that prepares for vendor neutral concepts, and it gives you helps to gain security best practices and understand vendor neutral concepts. All tools and techniques taught in the program are relevant with the current industry requirements because it teaches you how to plan, implement, and execute cloud platform security for an organization. Well, from the investment perspective, it added values because if someone wants to learn cloud security for Amazon, Microsoft Azure, and Google, so it takes separate costs and the time as well. But with the CCSE, we can learn cloud security for these top 3 cloud providers and gain vendor neutral concepts. I am working with the cloud provider as a cloud administrator, but after getting into deep with the cloud understanding last year, I was looking for a cloud security certification, and in the March 2022 the EC Council's CCSE certification was announced, and I took online learning and labs from EC Council, and after that I got certified, and with my expertise I got promoted to the cloud security consultant, and now I am providing the consultancy to the enterprises. In the meantime, I took EC Council official instructor certification exam as well. So after becoming CCSE, I got 2 recognition. The one is that the promotion with my professional position, and the second one I got EC Council official instructor certification.